we spent quite a bit of time discussing your book, and everybody in the audience, his book was one of the chosen ones to discuss because everybody thought it was such a great idea. How to make $1 million from 1 second, how to optimize a second in your day so that you feel like you have more hours in the day than there are.
Yes.
It was so brilliant, and everybody chose it because everybody wants to know the answer to that question.
Yes, and what we are talking about is not time related to money, though the title says $1 million second. It is basically to compare with currency, which comes to us easily when you talk about value. But I am talking about the value, importance and relevance of time, which should become a conscious awareness that people should live with that. It should be your DNA. And you should be able to, like, if I'm spending half an hour with you over a cup of coffee, I should know what I'm going to get from you as a return, because I'm investing time with you. I'm not
Right.
spending time. Spending is exhausting. It is like going away. It's not coming back.
Right.
But when you talk of investing and you use the right words in your mind, you get to look for a return. What will I get? And what you're getting is not money. You're getting that joy. You're getting the happiness. You're getting a satisfaction. So that is what we are talking about.
Right. And I
So-
just had an idea about it today, actually.
Very good.
Because I was thinking about your book, and I was thinking about your topic, and I was thinking, how can I put that to use right now?